Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, it's Friday night. I know told you it was the end of the Friday night sessions, but I'm gonna do a quick dessert here on Friday night. I'm not gonna do a cake. I'm not gonna do a whole pie. I'm gonna do some fried peach pies. I think last week I did a croissant. No, I didn't. What did I do last? I did turnovers. I did peach turnovers with my old school peach jelly. So this week I'm gonna take my old school peach jelly here, and I'm gonna do some fried pies with this one here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut some circles out, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put them together. Very simple, very easy. All you need is a jar. Of course, this is my old school jelly here, but you can use jam. You can use anything you want. You can use peach, apple, blackberry. I think I did a video on pear and blackberry before, but this one I'm gonna do peach. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, what I've done, I've cut these in circles. I think y'all seen me do this many times before. I cut them in circles. I even use my little bowl here as a guide. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush these with egg wash. Green, I'm gonna brush it with egg wash now before I put the filling. So when I fold it over, it'll stick together and the filling won't come out. This is a very important step, y'all. Very important step. Now, I'm gonna put the filling in the middle. Right in the middle. Put it. You don't want to overfill it because you want enough where the you don't want to overfill it, so when you fold it over, it'll fold over properly. And got one jar of preserves down the drain here, y'all. There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold them all over here. I like to fold them all over, and then I'll punch them down with the fork. Fold them over. Very simple, y'all. And like I said, I use ready-made pie dough. I don't make the pie dough. Like I say, this is a quick dessert you want to make on a weekend night, Saturday night, Friday night, like tonight. And what I'm do, I get the fork and I pinch them down here, seal them down at the edges. See? So the filling don't come out when I put them in the fryer. And you can put them in a skillet too. So now I'm gonna just drop them in the fryer. Drop 3 at a time. And just let them fry. And while those are frying, I'll just pinch these down. You can also bake these too, y'all. You can put some egg wash on them and put them in the oven and bake them. But I like to fry old school method, just fry it. That's it. All we're gonna do is put them in there, let them fry. Move the camera over a little so you can see. It don't take long to do this, y'all. Nice old school fried pies. Don't get no better. It's like Mama used to make. Just like Mama used to make, y'all. Like I said, they don't take long in the fryer. 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna move them around so they don't stick together. Usually I get about 8 out of one set of pie dough. I'll put this right here. And drain them off when they come out. Like I say, y'all, this is a nice quick dessert. And I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video here. The link to my old school peach preserve, old school pear preserves. I'll put it after the video if you never see me make the recipe so you can see. A little bit more here. Like I say, this don't take long. 2 or 3 minutes in the fryer or in the skillet. It's very important you have your fire really hot. Take this one out. Look at that. How pretty that is. How pretty those are. And that's it. I'm going to step off and I'm going to fry the rest of these and we'll be right back when the rest of them ready. We'll be right back. Alright y'all, we back. I'm almost through here. I got 6 done. I got 2 more in the fryer here to finish off. Once these other 2 are ready, I'll be back. We're going to plate them up and we're going to try them and see how they are. So we'll be right back in about 2 minutes. Alright y'all, we are back here. Okay. We're going to try one of these out. These things are nice and flaky. Look at that. The filling is nice and hot. Wow. Look how flaky that is. Don't get no better, y'all. Won't get no better. Old school fried pies. Easy, simple, and absolutely delicious. It took me exactly 15 minutes beginning to end to do this. As long as you got your, you know, that pie crust, what I use, like I say, y'all should know me by now, I use the Pillsbury pie crust already made. Get your jar old school. You should have old school preserves in your pantry already. If y'all been following me long enough, make you some jars of old school preserves, peach, blackberry, pear. I got all of them. I got recipe and video for all of them. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. Please share. Please subscribe to my channel. A lot of people watch my videos, don't subscribe. Watch my other social media accounts. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.